Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I have a Filipino dish called Pinakbet, which is basically a pork stew with a lot of vegetables. One of my favorite dishes. So grab something to eat and come eat with me. Where should we start? So this dish has eggplant, pumpkin. I don't know the word in English, but it has green skin. I have long beans. Let's see what else. There's bitter melon in here, and if you haven't had bitter melon, it is an acquired taste. But in this dish, since it's like so many other vegetables and the flavor is particularly strong because it's flavored with the pink shrimp paste, it balances it out. And then I have some lechon kawali that I put in there. You could also make it without having this. You could use fresh pork and then cook it like that. And I don't have okra because I forgot to buy it. But anyways, let me start talking and eat. So you get a bite first. Oh, here's the bitter melon. It's called ampalaya in Tagalog. So let's do our first bite. I want a bit of everything. It's gonna be a big bite. So here we go. This green thing in Tagalog, we call it kalabasa, which I think it means pumpkin. Here's the bit of the lechon kawali. I have some serrano peppers. I have to have a bit of spice. This dish is really healthy. It doesn't have a lot of seasoning in it because you get the seasoning from that shrimp paste, and you just add salt and pepper. But this is my first time making this. I don't know how I feel about it because it tastes good, but it's not like my parents. My parents' version of it. I'm gonna have to ask my mom how she makes it. There's a similar dish like this, but you use fish, and it's called ding. Don't ask me why it's called that. It's just called that. You can also make this with shrimp, shrimp and pork. I've never seen it made with anything else, but I feel good about eating it because all the vegetables. So how was your week so far? It's almost Friday. Honestly, I'm getting a little anxious about starting my new job because I only started this week to try to fix my sleep schedule, and I've been doing good, but I'm finding myself tired like around noon. And honestly, I do not like that feeling of being sleepy at work, and I don't want to be chugging down like multiple energy drinks, but we'll see how it goes. I don't think I'm gonna start the full 10-hour shift on my day one, because my regular schedule is from 7:30 to 5:30 p.m. but they have me coming in at 9:30 p.m. 9:30 a.m. which is good. Like most of the jobs I've held were always night shifts. But don't get me wrong, I love working day shift because when you get home, you can still do stuff and you feel like a normal person coming home at a normal time instead of like 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. This would be so much better with some okra. I still need to go get my hair cut. It's grown out pretty long. The longest, the longest part of this dish that I would say is prepping all the vegetables. Because you have to wash them, cut them. But it's so worth it. And today I just have water. It's been so long since I've had a homemade dish. But I have been craving Burger King again. Honestly, I could go without any protein in this dish. Just all the vegetables are just so tasty. So good. Anyways, guys, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and consider subscribing. Also, hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You just have to click that button, and I would highly appreciate that. But until I see you again, bye.